coming in from the garage here, and as you come in, we're gonna have a little mud room set up here for the kids. But what's really neat is obviously big basement, a lot of room, but right here we're building 2 sets of bunk beds, a double bed on the bottom with a single, and then again right here. It's actually gonna look really sharp. Staircase in the middle. This is gonna all be open for the kids to play. TV area we're gonna have set up right there, right in the center of those 2 decorative columns. Obviously always opening the stairs like we do. And great bathroom. We're gonna have a changing room, shower, private toilet right there, closet. You know, it's gonna be quite the setup. Pretty neat. We'll send you the finished products. We got these really cool bunk beds that we built here in this basement. It's kind of neat. We had all these columns that were in the way, yet we wanted to do something really cool and creative for the kids to hang out and have sleepovers. So we made this staircase in between these 2. We put all individual switches at each bed, so they have their own cell phone charging stations and lights. Got their own entrance coming in, and then they have a sitting area for them to hang out. And then just over here, they got a TV area. So this is about as kid-friendly as you can get. Of course, we open up the stairs like we always do. Big shower and big bathroom. They wanted an area for the kids to change, changing stool right there. A couple of closets over here. And then we actually put the bathroom behind the private door so somebody can get changed while somebody else is in the bathroom. By far, the feature of this basement is this really cool, bunk beds. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys.